Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. The downtown commercial district serves as the architectural heart and historical soul of Fort Myers. It is a place where the city's transition from a temporary frontier outpost to a permanent, prosperous urban centre is most visible. In the earliest days of the settlement, the downtown area was dominated by simple wood-frame buildings, structures that were functional but highly vulnerable to the elements and fire. The true turning point of the city's identity came in the early 20th century, particularly during the 1920s Florida land boom, when these wooden structures were replaced by enduring grand masonry that reflected the city's rising status. This district is now proudly listed on the National Register of Historic Places, not just because the buildings are old, but because they represent a specific, ambitious moment in Florida's history. As you explore these streets, you see the heavy influence of the Mediterranean Revival and Neoclassical styles. These weren't just random architectural choices, they were designs intended to project an image of stability, culture, and wealth to the rest of the country. Prominent structures like the Richards Building and the Earnhardt Building are prime examples of this era's confidence. Their intricate cornices, decorative cast stone, and expansive storefront windows were designed to create a vibrant public life, inviting residents and visitors alike to participate in the city's growing commerce. The layout of the district itself tells a story of urban planning in a pre-automobile age. The density of the buildings and the walkable nature of the streets reflect a time when the community gathered in the street centers for everything from banking to social events. Even the materials used, the heavy brick and the cast stone, speak to the desire for permanence in a landscape that was often seen as transient. During this period, the downtown was the epicenter of Southwest Florida, serving as the main hub for professional services, retail, and government. Today, the downtown commercial district has experienced a significant revitalization, preserving the historic charm while integrating modern energy. It remains a focal point for the city's cultural and social life, proving that the vision of these early entrepreneurs was correct. By preserving these historic storefronts and offices, Fort Myers has ensured that its modern success is rooted firmly in the physical legacy of its founders. Walking through this district is like moving through a living museum, where the craftsmanship of the past continues to define the character of the present.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.